Hello Facebook users. Today, we're shedding light on Facebook Protect, a powerful tool that adds an extra layer of security to your account. Whether you are a public figure, an influencer, or just want peace of mind, let's explore. Step 1. Access Facebook settings. Click your profile picture in the bottom right corner, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security and Login. In the Tools and Resources section, select Privacy Checkup. Step 3. Select How to keep your account secure. Step 4. Select Continue. And wait for the download process to complete and you will see Facebook give you an interface with secure login functions using different methods. Facebook, we will send you Facebook notifications. Email, we will send notifications to. Step 5. Turn it on or off, or you can skip it all with the skip button below the blue right corner. Finally, Facebook will select you see, you're almost done, and then tap Review another topic to complete the security steps. When you return to the Privacy Checkup interface, you have completed the security steps and added an additional layer of security. Wishing you a private and safe space on Facebook. Remember to like and subscribe to help us make more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.